Hi, welcome back to Missing Chemistry. This is the next kind of twist in our molarity calculations. Notice that this time we seem to have this in grams and this one in milliliters. And we know that molarity is moles of solute over liters of solution. So now what we need to do is we need to figure out how we're going to solve this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get that. Whoops, that eraser didn't work that time. There we go. See if we can't take it around here a bit. Just kind of like to keep things a little bit clean for you guys. All right, so now the first thing I want to do is this. Calcium nitrate. Okay, that's CaNO2. So now we need to find the molar mass of that. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go Ca, we got one of those, we have 2 nitrogens, and we have 4 oxygens. And we're going to times that by 40.08. Where's that coming from? That's coming from the periodic table. And the nitrogen is 14.01. That's also come from the periodic table. And oxygen is 32.00. So let's go ahead and do our calculations here. And that's going to give me 132.10. That'll be grams per mole. Okay. So now I need to turn my 120 grams of calcium nitrate into moles of calcium nitrate. So I'm going to use some stoichiometry. So I'm going to go 120 grams of CaNO2 times 1 mole of CaNO2 divided by its molar mass, which is 132.10 grams of CaNO2. So this unit's going to cancel that unit just like that. And that's going to give us 0.91 moles of CaNO2. Also remember that we have 240 milliliters, right? So we got to do that calculation. So we're going to take 240 milliliters and turn that into liters. So we'll write 240 on the bottom here. We'll put a decimal. We're going to move it 3 places. 2, 3. And that's going to give me 240 liters. Now I can solve my problem. So I come over here and I go molarity equals moles of solute over liters of solution. So I'm going to plug in 0.91 moles on top. And of course 0.240 liters on the bottom. And I take my calculator and I get this to be 3.79 molarity. Cool. I tell you what, let's well, you want to do another one? Well, we could do one more. How about this? Let's go ahead and do one more. Let's get the eraser. Okay, let's see. Come on, erase. That's right, follow the circle. Ooh, we're watching the circle run across the screen. So much fun. Get that. Whoops, see, ran out of eraser. Okay, let's try that one more time. Come on, eraser. There we go. Sometimes it works really well, and sometimes it's like, well, maybe not. Okay, we're almost there. Hang on, eraser, we need you just a little bit more. Ah, excellent. All right, let's try this one. What if we had, let's say, 98 grams of NaOH, that's sodium hydroxide, in 2.2 liters of solution? What is the molarity? All right, let's look here. Oh, look, we only have grams here. And this time we have liters, so we don't have to touch that. So again, let's get our good old-fashioned eraser there. So we can't get that arrow. Boom, done. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take sodium hydroxide, NaOH. So we have one Na, we have one O, and we have one H. This could be times 22.99. This is going to be times 16.00. And times, of course, 1.01. So we'll put that in the calculator. And we're going to get a total of 40.00 grams. Per mole of NaOH. Perfect. All right. So now we have that. Oh, you know what we got to do? We've got to turn that into moles. So we're going to go, okay, 98 grams of NaOH times 1 mole of NaOH divided by 40.00 grams of NaOH. So that cancels out. That's looking pretty good. And let's get that again. All right, and that's going to give us 2.54 moles. 2.45 moles. Not bad. All right, and that'll be of NaOH, of course. Come back over here, set up our molarity. Remember, molarity is moles of solute over liters of solution. So our molarity is going to be 2.45 on top, divided by 2.2 liters on the bottom. And our new molarity is going to be 1.11 molarity. Man, this is really easy, guys. So I'll tell you what, we'll see you back here at Moose and Chemistry. You be snarly and have an awesome day.